Hi, my name is John Churchman. I'm the instructor here at Prosser for the Ag Department, the Horticulture Landscaping 1 and Landscaping 2. In Horticulture and Landscaping 1, we introduce the students to the study and biology of plants, the procedure, and the technology of growing the plants in the greenhouse. All topics include the reproduction, the media, the soil, aquaculture, hydroponics, and with the Landscaping 2 in the afternoon, we introduce the students to the basic principles of landscape drawing, designing, and installation and maintenance schedules. We also introduce the students to the equipment used in landscaping and the upkeep of that equipment as well. A new topic we've introduced the students to is sports turf management, where we maintain the soccer and softball fields. We have, as you see, we introduce the students to FFA as well, and according to our videos that we're showing in the pictures, we take them to the state level several times. Then we also attend the UK Ag Field Day and the Western Kentucky Field Day as well. The credits earned is with Vincennes for the dual credit, and also the certifications we use will be through the Indiana Nursery and Landscape Association. Also, we have looked into and started the certification through Virginia Tech University, turf grass management. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.